Break ID number 510. 2017 NFL 2-box break. That's certified cuts and Panini XR. So there are 2 fillers on this one also. The winner of each filler gets 3 spots. Here is the first one. And let's randomize it 3 times. Andrew, M.I. Andrew pulls it out. Maybe I shouldn't have said that. Andrew has 3 spots in 510. And filler number 2. Filler number 2 is all the same person, so no need to randomize that one. David going big in the filler. All right. So here is 510. This is the alphabetical list. And let's randomize it 3 times. All right, there you go. Take a look at that for a minute. Tomorrow is Impeccable release day. Impeccable football, $500 to $600 a box is what that stuff is going for. Beautiful stuff, and there's still a few spots left up there. They are for sale now, and that's tomorrow night. Brady or Rogers? Is that it? How about a duel? A dual auto, Brady and Rogers. All right. XR. You'll take it. I'm sure you will. So would I. We pulled a triple auto out of here last week that had Jordy Nelson, Aaron Rodgers, and someone else. I can't remember who. Whoever won it, put it on our eBay account. It's up to almost $400. Zay Jones, jersey auto to 199. Cobb, that's right. To the Bills, Pete S.I. Or should I say, shoot, I forgot. Titan Renovations. Tyrod Taylor to 49. Ryan Anderson to 299. Terrell Suggs to 199. Is that Panini points? It is 150. We'll random that off at the end. And Cam Newton, maximal materials, 6 of 49. To Carolina, Nick, K.I. Phil Rivers to 299. And Budda Baker to 199. All right, certified cuts. There's Brady. Not what we were looking for, but Evan Ingram to 99. Brett Favre to 399. Brian Hill, rookie auto, 45 of 99. To Atlanta, Patrick, P.E. Yes, it is XR. We just did XR. The XR part of this break. Our Darius Stewart jumbo jersey. Nick, you have Seattle. Seattle. Matt Stafford. Matt Stafford jersey to Detroit. Andrew, M.I. I don't think so. I don't remember, though. Brandon Cooks to 99. Still looking for the cut auto. It's in here. And it's old school Frank Gatsky. 41 of 99. Frank Gatsky to the Browns. Steve L.U. And last pack. All right, let me put the random together for the rewards, the Panini rewards. I haven't either. I think it's really old. I mean, it's so old. The only thing they could get a picture of was his leg. Gatsky literally never left the field during his entire football career. During his 20 years on the gridiron, high school, college, pros, never missed a contest. Doesn't say anything about time frame. All right. Here is everybody who bought into this break. I'll randomize it 3 times, and whoever's on top will get the Panini rewards. 1, 2, 3. Patrick P.E. Remember, these rewards aren't worthless. Patrick P.E. All right. That's it. Thank you guys so much. And impeccable tomorrow. More to go up once those sell out. And an entire case of Optic baseball for Thursday. And more to go up there also once that sells out. So thank you very much, and we'll see you tomorrow.